This video is sponsored by 2E0 ERO magnetic loops and beams. Prices start from £110 for the basic loops. Email me directly at 2E0UKH@gmail.com for a discount code, saving you £10 to £15 depending on the loop ordered. Right, so we're just taking a quick look at the Yaesu FT3D. It's a 270 digital and analog, does the fusion. It's got a very wide receiver on it, wide coverage, goes from 1 meg to something like 999, and it's one hell of a radio. Colour screen, the screen is a touch screen. So just taking a closer look at the radio. On the front you've got the colour touch screen. During these videos I will be using a stylus because it's easier, because you can see where I'm pointing. So these are buttons you can press on the touch screen, and you can press that top line to go straight to a frequency. I've switched off the dual line. It's got a line on the top and a line on the bottom. You need to long press the AB button to do that. So you could have two lines like that. So it's connected to my hotspot. So on the front we've got back, display and band buttons. We've got the wires X button, the GM button, A and B, that goes between the different lines on the display, A and B. You know, if you had it in dual mode, it'll alternate them. And that's VFO and memory. So we're back in VFO mode on digital. Press the talk button at the top, monitor, Moni and T call button on the side. Next one down is squelch, and the next one down is power. On the top we've got the channel selector knob, the clicker knob, and this is the volume. But I did find in the settings there's a way to customize this, so you can reverse that. Memory card slot on the side, data connection, and you've got microphone and power. Microphone and power. So not a lot going on the back. So just get a bit of audio.
Some of the higher peaks like Baldy Mountain, you might be able to hit a repeater in towers if there's one there. So you're going to have to plan accordingly and decide whether or not you want to carry the weight of a radio along with you, whether it's worth it for the brief opportunities you might have to hit a repeater.
So just trying to get some audio.
Yeah, I'm also going to take the radio with me as well for just a safety precaution, just in case I need to contact someone.
So one person's a bit loud, the other one's a bit quiet. It's always the way. But that's the first look at the radio. I'm going to be doing many more videos on the radio in small sections. And I'll just show the aerial connectors, the same old usual. SMA, Okay, so we're going to do a few more videos on this radio coming up, going into a lot more detail in the next few days. 732E0 UKH.